Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you the May mystery box that I got from the Beauty Crop. I also ordered a couple of bits, so I thought I would jump on camera and share what I got with you. If you're interested in the mystery box, I will leave the link in my description box. But first I'm going to start off, let me get comfortable. I'm going to start off with the things that I bought. So I've already recorded this video, by the way, and when I'm putting the video up to edit it, I don't know, it's just, it doesn't really matter, you don't need to know, but if you see some of the things swatched, that's the reason why, because I have recorded this before. Anyway, let's crack on. So I've got this BFF Brow Friends Forever. It's a Groom and Grow brow gel. I think this was a £5 or £6. Now I bought this because I'm always on the hunt for a good eyebrow gel. I have tried this out already and it is really, really good. It holds my, I was about to say eyelashes, definitely not. It holds my brows in place all day long. And they don't look crusty looking, like rock hard, if you know what I mean. And you don't get any white little bits, if you get what I'm saying. So yeah, I bought this. Bit of a spoiler, I did get one in my mystery box, but because the stuff is really, really great, I'm happy about that one. And then I picked up this Wee Cherie sugar lip scrub. Now it comes with this little, what's it, spatula kind of thing. I mean, I'm not going to use that, but yeah, this is what this looks like. It smells of cherries. It's really, really lovely. I haven't tried it yet, so, but I'm sure it's going to take off the dead skin. It sounds disgusting, but that's what it's for. And then you get a spatula, and this one, and this, minus the dog hair, is the Wee Cherie Hydrating Lip Mask. Now, I did try this when I did the other video, and it is really, really lovely. I don't know why I'm showing you, because you're not going to see anything. But I thought when I first saw it that it was like Vaseline, but it's not. It's more creamy. I can't really describe it, but it's lovely. Really, really loved that. And then I got this Yes Way Rosé. So we have a hydrating mist, a blush palette, and a retractable brush. So let's just pop these out. I'm so sorry for the noise. Right, that's it. So this is the retractable little brush. It's just got their logo on it. Super soft. This would be great for travel. It does come with a lid. Yeah, it's a cute little, I don't know, you want to use it for blush, or I mean, I think it's a little bit too big for highlight, but I mean, that is cute. It also came, as I said, with this rosé mist. Now, if you see at the bottom here, you see gold sparkles. Now, I was a little worried that it was going to come off. You know, when you spray it on your face, you're going to have these gold little particles. Let me dry this a bit so you can see. Maybe you'll be able to see. But there are little gold particles. I don't know whether I'd wear this underneath my makeup, but then it's a setting spray. It's hydrating, so yeah, maybe I could just use it for that. But yeah, it does have these little gold particles. But it smells nice. smells like coconut. I was thinking that it was going to be, because it's, I mean, Cocoa Rosé, maybe of roses, or, but no, it's like coconut. And then we got the Cocoa Rose little palette. I can't bloody open it. There we go. Which looks like that. I mean, I have swatched it, but I will swatch it again. Now this one's the shimmery one. This one's quite pretty. Look, it's a bit chalky, not gonna lie. So that's what they look like. I mean, that shimmery one, I will probably use that maybe as an eyeshadow, or, but it's not really a blush shade. But yeah, these are pretty. I love this one. Okay, now onto the mystery box. I mean, look, I don't know if you can see here, but it's a bit chalky. Right, now onto the mystery box. So I got this Vitamin Babe Hydrating Dual Setting Mist. Now it's got like a liquid here and then like an oily thing up top. Excuse me, I've already got 2 of these. I've got all of their setting sprays, apart from the lilac one that's just come out. I think that's the mattifying one. I'm not looking for anything matte, because I mean, I've got a normal skin, but in areas like around my nose can be a bit dry. So yeah, I tend to steer away from mattifying. Why is there bloody hair on it? Yeah, I tend to stay away from mattifying sprays and whatnot. I am all about the moisture. Right, then we got a Wee Cherie Duo Pressed Mineral Blush. Now this is in the shade Peach Paris. I mean, I've already ruined it because I've bloody swatched it, but look at that. It's really cute. It's a little bit light, but I mean, I guess if you're going for that no makeup look, this will be great. I mean, it is a bit light for me, but I mean, it's all right. Then we got the Vitamin Babe bronzer. I can't bloody open this. There we go. So it does come in 3 sections. So there's a shimmery one. I say in 3 sections because there's a line here as well, but these 2, I don't know if you can see on camera, but they look exactly the same. So I will swatch the shimmery one. I mean, it's very subtle. And even that bronzer is a little bit too light for me. I guess I can, I don't know, use it in winter or something. But that highlight is very, very subtle. So yeah. And then, oh, I said before that I got a the eyebrow gel. So I got 2 of them. Not mad at all. Then there is this smoothie stick lip crayon. Now it's in the shade, let me see, Spicy Masala, and it is just a brown, or it's like you can turn it from the bottom. I mean, it's all right. It's one of them that you just bang in your handbag, isn't it? And then lastly, there is this eyeshadow palette, which is the Cocoa Paradise. Love the packaging, really cute. It comes with a mirror, and then those are the shades. I'm not going to swatch them. only because, I mean, I've got hundreds of palettes. Okay, that's a slight exaggeration, but I've got a fair few palettes, and I'm sure these colours are in there. So I will give this to someone who would like it. So that is that. So that is everything. So a little rundown. Let's sort these out. Yeah, a little rundown. 2, 4, 6. Yeah. So there's 6 items in the May mystery box. I think I paid 23. I want to say £23. And then they're just the little bits that I got. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I will leave the link to this mystery box down below. So if you are interested, then yeah, head over there. I appreciate you all watching. Take really good care of yourselves, and you will see me in my next video. Bye for now.